Hello and welcome to our daily sketching routine. It is Thursday, May the 7th, 2026, and today's topic is basically what I've learned as far as the kind of like the path that I've taken and also how to organize the work, which is kind of what I call art. But before we begin, welcome back if you are returning and welcome if you are new to the channel. I sketch and post every day. So the first thing I'll talk about is just like the work itself. So this will be like a mind map. That's kind of how I like to think. I think it's important to figure out work, and then obviously there's play. And I think it's important to like define that for yourself, and it can take a while. It's taken me a while. And then connected to that is like the idea of like a job. So notice that a job isn't really connected to play, but it can be sort of connected to play. But it's definitely connected to work. So for example, I always do artwork as my work. I haven't been able to find a way for it not to be work. Again, that's just one of those things that I had to learn, because when I first started doing art, it wasn't work. I didn't think of it as work. It was like play, but it like turned into work. But another way that might help to think about it is the idea of like a vocation. I think once it becomes like a vocation, there's not really a way to turn it off, I guess. If it's a calling, that's what a vocation is. And then the play would be like an avocation, which is like a hobby. Now they do go together. Out here in this floating topic, I'll create one called habit, and like from out of that, like there's the like sketching, let's say, which I always say in these videos, like welcome to the daily sketching routine. But it's separate from this, but it could be sort of connected to it. So out of this could be like what you do for money. I think one thing that has been important for me is to not compare myself, in other words. But it doesn't have to be money, but it's like, that's like what's understandable. So an example of that could be like having a channel, and I've had to approach it like a job. But like you don't have to. So it started off like this, and I had like other jobs. So I'll just put kind of like examples. So I worked at a like a restaurant. I've had a lot of jobs. This one at the restaurant, I actually put a lot of focus into it and probably made like the most money. Yeah, I mean, it was like hard work. But as I did this, I was still doing this other thing. I'll create a connection to it. This is sort of like the kind of the theme of a job, is like the money part of it, or like the transactional part of it. But then as I was doing this, I started doing like the sketching. So if you go into like sketching, there's like the different things you could do. You could like do like a 1 minute sketch. You could just kind of like doodle something. Yeah, it could be like whatever. I mean, that's really all I could really do. So that's kind of how all of this started. It's sort of how my path worked. It wasn't completely linear. It was sort of like a zigzag. I started kind of like getting into like the channel. If you look at like the early videos, that's like the basic like kind of model. There's a lot more to it than that, and I thought it would be helpful to kind of talk about this. It's kind of a sketch. I call it thinking on paper, so I combine drawing with illustration with planning. That's what I wanted to share with you today. I want to thank you for joining me for a daily sketching and planning routine. If you enjoy these videos, please support the channel. I appreciate it, and until next time, keep on sketching.